How to cancel an order on SHEIN. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order on SHEIN. To cancel an order on SHEIN, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of SHEIN. For that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in shein.com. This is the official URL of SHEIN. Here, once you enter the keyword, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of SHEIN. Here, you will need to ensure that you have logged into your account. If not, you will need to use your credentials in order to log in to your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be able to see a profile icon. Click on this profile icon and from the drop-down menu here, select My Orders. Simply click on My Orders and then you will be taken to your order history page. Now here, you will need to find the product that you would like to cancel. You will be able to cancel the order if it is in this processing or unpaid list. But once the order has been shipped, cancellation is no longer possible. If that's the case, then you can return the items after you receive them. Now, if you find your product in this unpaid or processing list, then simply select the view details of that product and then there you'll be able to see cancel order button. And after that, click on that cancel order button and then select a reason for cancellation. Once after selecting it, confirm it and then you'll be able to cancel an order. After submitting this cancellation request, the order status will be changed to cancelled and then SHEIN will initiate a refund to your original payment method. This refund may take up to 5 to 7 business days to appear in your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to cancel an order on SHEIN. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.